Monstack login with a JWT token. First of all, let's go on the sign up section, and here see I have feature upload a profile pic. Let me just upload this. Now here see profile pic. After that, here you enter the name. Let's after that email ID. Here I give the, let's say 90@gmail.com. After that give the password Amit 90, and here I give the Amit 90 something, and click on the sign up section. Now here see password and confirm password must be same. Let's check if maybe mistake. Now see this error also handling also done. Now let's give the 90 and click on the sign it. After the clicking on the sign up, user created successfully and redirect to the login pages. After that here I give the Amit 90@gmail.com. After that give the password 90 and click on the sign up section. It will be redirect to the user profile, and here log out. Click on the logout. It will redirect to the your sign up page. Let's start making this. Let's go on the VS Code editor. Here in VS Code editor, let's open the terminal here and new terminal. After that, first of all here I will create my front end site. For that, using the React npx create React app, and after that I will give the folder name will be the client, not as front end client. It takes some time depending on the your internet connectivity and speed of the your operating system. It will be done. I will be back. Now here see React app is done, installation is completed. After that I will just start npm. First of all I want to go on the my client folder. After that client, and after that npm start. Let's refresh the page. Okay, .js. Now here let's go here and let's open this, and in the app.js file let delete all these things in the header section, and here in the app.css file also delete all this css part. Let's also install the React router DOM for the routing purpose. For that here let me just close the app, and after that npm I React router DOM. Now again start this app. Yeah, now let me just close the previous one. After that first of all this will start, and here I will for checking purpose here I will give the login MERN. Let me just check it will be working. Yeah, it will be working. For that let me just add the Google font also. For that here just go Google font, and it will be the Nodejs. Let me just search some font is available, Nodejs, and this one. After that here I will just select let me just select all these which are required for the me. depending on the your which font you want to use this in your. Here I was just selected all of them. After that I will let's add this. Here I was use the import one, and here I copy. After that I will go on the index.css file here in the top section. Here I will paste it. After that remove this style tag and this style tag. Now this will be done, and after that I want to add this Nodejs font in my body section. Let me just add this. Okay, here already added this. I want to, let me just copy this one, cut from here, and here I will paste it. Here give the comma and remove this one. Now let me just check. When I was see, it will be coming like that. Now here I want to give the background color. For that background color will be the, it will be approximately blue, not a blue like that, it will be little bit sky blue. Yeah, like this types of a, yeah, here. Now let's after that this will be done. Now let's make a front end side for the login pages for the and registration page. And before that, here I will, in the src folder, I will create one folder pages, and second one will be the component. Let me just create components. Now in the pages section, pages folder, create a file sign in .js rafce. This shortcut I was using the this extension ES6 React Redux, and after that, that's why this shortcut is coming. Now here let me just close this again, and here in the pages section create sign up.js file. Yeah, and third one will be the user profile, user profile.js file. Three file is created when the user will be sign ups and sign in and user profile. Now after that this will done. Let's go on the here in the app.js file. Here let's do it here. After that give the routes like that. If you want to refer the React router DOM, for that you can directly go on the here in the browser. This because of this error, that's why. Let me, I will remove React router DOM and React router DOM 6.22 in the latest version. Here the two way to create React router DOM. One is the create browser router and router provider, and second one will be the create routes from the elements. Like this types of you can create, like here creates route from the elements, and after that you can directly provide it. There is two way you want to create anyone. Here I was prefer this one, a React router. For that okay, let's here I will give the main page. Let me just remove this here, and pages. Here I will create a one folder. This name will be the routers, and inside this I will create a index.js file. After that here let's import the create. Okay, what not suggesting, let's copy from here, and here I will paste browser router from React router DOM. After that I want to const router, and here create browser router, and it will be the array, and inside this I will give the path. This path will be base path, and here I will give the element. Root element will be app component, and after that here like this, and here provide the children, and inside the children this will be the our two pages will be provide. Here to there are multiple pages, like we want to give the first one login page. If you want to give the directly login page you can give, or here like this first one is the page path and second one will be the profile, like this. Now here I can do like that also, or let's do it here, and here path, and it will be the user profile, and after that element will be the, let's do give the elements user profile component, and here I will give the slash, no need of this here, and after that I will give the path, and this is sign in, and element component will be the sign in, and third one will be the for the sign up for path, and here I will give the sign up elements and sign up. Yeah, like that. This three created, and after that I will this router I will export this, export default router, and after this router is exported and go on the index.js file. Here I will just remove this app here and import router provider from the React router down. After that routes pass router from the here. Yeah, now this will be done. For the checking purpose, let's see here, 6 sign in does not exist in the, let me just check why this error is coming. Sign in pages, and why this app is not defined in the sign in. Okay, and small, let me just do this. Okay, now it will be perfectly fine. Let's see. And when I was go on the user profile, now see, okay, here displaying only displaying the this pages. For that user profile, it will be here, where is routes, user profile, sign in, and this one routers from the, let's go here, only display the pages because I was here see. Okay, this will be the background color. Let me just change the here I will give the main, and in the here I will give dot main, text color will be, text will be white. Let's give the color will be white, and now see here only displaying the this page, but all these routes is URL is coming for, because of the all this component, where is all this component needed to display in the app, because this is app is a root component. That's why for here I want to give the route outlet from the React router DOM. It will be display the all the pages of the this which is coming from the this app components, like that. Like see here user profile, when I here I was given the sign up. Okay, this will be wrong, sign up. Now see this sign up, and here I will give the sign in, like this. Let's go and designing part, sign in and sign up pages. For that, first of all here I will give the div tag, and here let's give the form again, another div tag. Inside this, first of all give the class name, here sign, here give the card sign in, sign card sign, yeah, or give the form, card form, like this types of a form. After that, go on the app.css file. Here I will just give the copy the this class name, or you can directly create here in the page.js file, or you can directly in the some other folder like this. I will use in the app.css file here. Now here I want to give the width will be 100 pixel, max width will be approximately 320 pixel. After that, now C and BG background color will be white. Now here you can see nothing will be displayed, but here I was write something, it will be coming here. And after that I will give the in the index.js file, here I was given the width will be 100%, which is not coming. And again I will go on the app.css, here max width. After that, give the margin, from the margin top bottom 0, left right will be auto. Now automatically it will coming in center. Here I will be increase this 400 pixel. Now see, it will be coming center. For that it will be coming center here inside the sign in section. Here this parent, and give the class name, screen height will be screen, like this types of way. After that I will go in the app.css file. Here I will give the class name h screen, and after that give the height will be 100 vh. After that I will give the flags, display flags, justify content center, and alignment item also center. Now see, it will be coming here, and here I will yes screen and center, like this types of a class name is good. After that I will go here and again change this class name. Yeah, now after that, here top section I will display the some logo. For that, here give the class form card header, like this types of a header. And here I will give the display the one icon, which name will be the auth. It's mean I want to display the some emoji, let's say, or we can display the some icon also. For that, go on the font awesome website, and here in the icon section, here choose lock, here free version. After that, clear this lock, click here, and after that in the SVG section just click here and go on the here. And after that in the component section make a one folder icons, and inside the icons create a one file lock icons.js file. And after that, here just make a component, and inside this just paste this SVG alt Z to make a screen properly. And after that, just remove this line of the code commented, and here give the fill current color. And after that, just copy this lock icon and come in the sign in section. Here give the like that icon. Now let me just check how it will be displaying. Okay, it will be also import, and here let's give the height and lock icons. Let's copy this lock icon, and here inside the app.css file, here give the width is approximately 30 pixel, height also 30 pixel. Now let's check. Okay, this icon is not displaying. For that, give the color of the icon will be black. Now let's check, it will be coming. Give the 50, and after that it will be 50, and yeah, now it will be little bit golden color. Now let's do it. Yeah, yeah, now it will be perfectly fine. Or we can use this same color as a background color. For that, go on the here and just copy this color code, and here inside the app.css file here I will give the same color. Yeah, after that I will give, this will be the 40, and here I will give the 40. After that, give the padding will be approximately 10 pixel and 20 pixel. After that, border radius approximately 50 pixel. Now let's check, border 1 pixel solid, and it will be color as like this color, this font color. Little bit increase this border. Yeah, now it will be coming in the center. For that, give the width, margin from margin top bottom 0, left right will be auto. Now see, it will be coming in center, and here left. Yeah, on this card by default, this card form give the some padding is approximately, by default padding will be the approximately 20 pixel from the all side, left, right and bottom side. Now let's make the form and the sign in section. Here give the form tag, and inside this form make a label, and this label will be the first one with the name. Here no need of email, no need of name, and here input type test. Oh sorry, here write email, and let's close this. And why this email is not displaying? Okay, I was mistake the label. Okay, text color is some different. Label, okay, spelling I was mistake. And now here give the form. Inside the form, let's give the class name form. After that, in the app.css file here, and here I was given the main color is white, that's why all the font is not display. Let's remove this, and here now see, email will be display for now. And again I want to give the, this will be done, and here this font, okay, and app.css file here I want to give the, this max would be 350 pixel is max. After that, and this border is rounded. For that, give the border radius 5 pixel. Yeah, now it will be perfectly fine. And like that, let's add the password also, and here I will give the password. Here give the password. Yeah, now it will be perfectly fine, and both of them is here. And now at the bottom add the button, sign in, like this button. And let's go on the here, or we can give the here in the app.css file, where is here dot form, and give the display grid. automatically. Now see, all this will be coming here like that, and after that give the gap will be approximately 10 pixel like that. All this field will be coming little bit more, I think 15. Yeah, 15 is perfect. And here in the sign in section, this one make a one div tag inside the div tag, and like here, and this input box also. Yeah, now see, this both are coming here, and this one and this one. Here make a one class name, give the form element, and here also let's copy this class name and add here also in this div tag. After that, this div tag come in the app.css file. Here give the form element and give display flags direction column. Yeah, now it will look like this. And let's make a inside the form elements, if input is available, let's design this part. First of all, give the padding will be approximately it's 2 pixel by default, little bit more, by default 5 pixel, by default 5 pixel. After that, give the this form, and here border 5 pixel, and outline none, and border 1 pixel solid, and it will be the black color. Now see, it will be like that. And this border is too much, radius 2 pixel, 3 pixel. Yeah, 3 pixel is perfectly fine. And in between them little bit gap. For that, here I will give the gap, it will be 1 pixel, approximately 5 pixel, perfectly fine. Yeah, and in the before this icon, here needed to some gap, it will be approximately 10 pixel is perfectly. Yeah, needed to some gap. For that, here this lock icon, I will give the margin from the bottom side, it will be approximately 20 pixel. Now let's see. Yeah, it will be email, password, and sign in button. Let's design this also. And here give the class name, button sign. For that, let's go app.css here, or I can give the form. Inside form element, form class has a button. Then this design will be padding approximately from the top side will be 5 pixel, 4 pixel, left right will be approximately 10 pixel. Yeah, and let's increase little bit, 7 pixel, and it will be 15 pixel. And width will be fit. Yeah, it will be fixed, and it will be, I think, 20 pixel perfectly. 9 pixel. Yeah, now after that, border radius 5 pixel, and border none. Yeah, background color will be as it is RGB, which are background color, and this text will be, text color will be the white. Yeah, and after that, give the letter spacing, it will be a 1 pixel. And after that, here give the, here I was given the font family, but it will be not taking all of them. For that, here I will give the star, and inside this I will give the, this font family will be where I was given this one. Just copy this, here I will paste this, because this button is not taken, that's why. Now see, it will be perfectly fine, and this button will be coming in center. For that, app.cs form button. Inside this I will give the margin 0 and auto. Now see, it will be by default, it will be taking the approximately 7 pixel from the top and bottom, this button. And see, when I was go my mouse on this sign in, automatically this cursor pointer will be changed. For that, here I will give the cursor pointer. Now see, when I was how my mouse cursor from this sign in button, see this this and mouse cursor will change and this color will be changed. For that, let me just copy this, and here I will go again and hover, and after that I will give here this background color will be approximately little bit dark. For that, let's see, or we can give the little bit light. Yeah, it will be perfectly, and little bit outcome. For that, I will give the transform scale 1.1. now see, it will become outcome, but it will be suddenly coming. For the transition, I will give the transition is approximately 0.5 second. Let's give the 0.5 second, or 1 second is perfectly fine. Yeah, now see, it will be perfectly outcoming. And email password. Now let's store the both of them. And here see, we needed to, when I was types and I want to see the password. For that, I want to some handle click. For that, just go on the here sign in section, this input box which I was created, make a one div inside this, and here I will put this label. And yeah, here this input, because I was given this, let's make also the here, and yeah, here this both of them coming like that. I think I don't need of this. I will directly change the some field in the input here. Let's only wrap this input one. For that, div, and inside the some div tag like here and also here. And here I will give the class name password input, like this types of way. After that, here let's come in the app.css file where I was given the input. Inside this, if here I will give the width will be 100%. now see, it will be taking the width 100%. and here I was given the this border. Let me remove this, and this here I will add below this, not here. Let me just copy the class name password, and here app.css in form element password. Then I want to give this one border, otherwise not. Form, here give the input container, not a password container. Give the dot input container. I will add this class name. Just copy here and come here, give the class name here as like here also. Yeah, Now see, it will be coming. And after that, in the here, let me remove this one here and give the border none. Now see, it will be coming here, and this I was given the border and padding. This both of them let's remove from here and in the input container. Now see, it will be perfectly fine. And now here display the icon. For the icon I will use the React icon for that, or we can use this font awesome. Here I will give the eyes, and this one here. After that, go on the component section, inside the icon give the eyes, open .js file, RAFCE, and inside this let's paste the SVG. After that, press Alt Z to format this, and after that here just remove this code, and here add the field current color, current color, and open this eyes and go on the sign in section. Where is password? Here. And after that here I will give the span tag, and here make the icon, and this icon I want to import this. And now let's check. Okay, this icon is very much bigger. I want to give the some width and height. For that, here icons password, like this I was given the class name. Just copy this and come in the app.css file. Here here I will give the, and here give the width will be approximately 20 pixel, height also 20 pixel. Now let's check, and it will be not taken because it will be the span tag. That's why I want to convert in the form of a div tag. Now see, it will be coming, and it will be coming here, but I want to in the single. For that, in the app.css file, where is container, here I want to give the display flags, width will be 100%, and alignment item center. Now see, it will be coming, and this icon, see this icon I want to make when I was my mouse, then it will be converted in the my mouse in the cursor format. For that, where is icon, password icon, and cursor pointer. Now see, open eye, and now again I want to close eye. For that, write this, go on the SVG, double click in the icon section. Here I will give the eyes close.js. after that, here RAFCE, and paste code here, and press Alt Z to format this. After that, just remove the all this unnecessary comment, and here give the fill current color. Fill में the its parent color is by default its color, that's why this is coming. And after that, here I will give the eyes close icon. Now let's see it will be how this. Now see, like that. Now here I will create const show password and set show password. After that, here I will give the use state, and it will be by default false because I don't want to show the password by default. And just copy this, and here I will give the one, if the password will be show password will be true, then it will be display the hide password, close it, otherwise open. But it will be not if the like that. If the show password is true, then display the open eye, otherwise this I. Yeah, now when I will click then this will be changed. For that here I want to give the on click, and here callback function set show password previous one reverse the. It means that if the false then make it true, if the true then make it false, like that. Now see, it will be coming like that. And here these two fields, and now let me just enter. But now see, it will be not changing because I was not changing this input type, that's why. Now let's do it. Here I will give the make a one template string, and here I will give the, or I directly give the, if so password is true, then this will be in the form of a test, or otherwise it will be in the form of a password, like that. Now see, when I click, it will be converted in the form of a text, and when I click, then it will be gone, like that. This login page. Now all this detail I want to store some field. For that, and below this display the already registered, like this. Don't have a account. For that here p tag don't have account. For that, and after that link to sign up, sign up, like this it will display. And see, when I was click, it will be gone, it go on the sign up pages, like that. And this will be underline coming because I want to give some styling. For that, give the class name and give the link, and here I want to go on the app.css file. Here I will give the dot link, and here I will give this dot link. First of all, I want to remove this underline. For that, text decoration none. Now see, underline is gone. When I was hover, then this underline we show, otherwise not. For that, link hover, and here give the text decoration underline, like this. And see, when I was hover, then this underline will be showing. Yeah, it will be perfectly, and when I was click, it will be gone, like that. And now let's store all this field. And when I was click on the sign in, then all this field will be disabled. For that, const loading set loading use state, and here I will give the by default false. When loading will be true, then input. Here first I was forgetting to give the ID, email, and name email. And after that, I want to give the disable when loading will be true, like this types of a. And in the here I want to give the HTML for email, because this HTML for and this ID, when I was click on this email tags, automatically it will focus on the this input, and like that. Let me just go on the where is password here, and input. Here I want to give the ID password, and name also password. After that, disable when it will be loading will be true, then it will be disable. And here I will give the HTML for password. And yeah, now, and when loading will be true, then this tags will be also changed. For that, let's give the here when loading, then display the tags will be the loading, and otherwise sign in. Just cut from here, and after that I will paste here. Now see, okay, now it will be perfectly fine. And now store all this value in single variable. For that, const, after that give the data, set data, after that here use state, and inside this use state email, and second one will be the password. Now this both of them just copy the data, and when here input, it's first of all give the value data dot email, and in the password section also give the value data dot password. Now when anything is typed, automatically it will be stored on the this use state, this variable. For that, const handle on change, after that this an arrow function. Here first of all I will give the here, and here extract the name and value which is coming from the e dot target. Like that, name means this id which you have passes, where is like email, and here it will be given the password like this, and inside this automatically insert the value and automatically store on this data. For that, here and here, let's give the name and value. Here make sure that this name will be considered as a key name. I want to make this variable. For that, I want to make a square bracket in both the side like this. Now it will be coming, and here when I was type something like that, here let me just coming here, and now here on change, when I was here do, and on change here. Now see, when here inside the email I was typed email at the amit@gmail.com. now see, this will be done. And when I was go on the password section and start typing, now see, okay, it will be, why this will be not refresh. Now you can see here, not here, it will be displaying. Let me just do console.log data, and here it will be the data. Now let me right click inspect, and here inside see, this is object. When I was typing email, it will be storing the email, and when I was go on the type the password, it will be store the only password, not both of them. For the storing this both of them, we need to here pass a one parameter, and it will be the previous value, spread this previous value. Now it will be only change which value is name and value is coming, otherwise all value previous value will be the preserve like that. For now, let me refresh this, and here I will give the amit@gmail.com. now see, Amit will be changed, and here I will give the password. Now see, only this both of the value is now storing like that. And when I submit, now see, this page is refreshed. For that, do not refresh this page. Here const handle submit, and after that here give the pass a parameter e, and e will be the prevent default. Now after that, this one handle submit, and go on the form data on submit. Now see, when I was here giving the add this email id and password, now clicking on the sign in section, now see, this page will be not be refreshing, because this will be prevent the refreshing to submit it in get method. Now this part will be done. Now we'll make the sign up form also, sign up form also. For that, I want to just copy from all of this here, go on the sign up section, and here I will paste this. Let me just copy and remove this sign in, and here Now let me just, what error is coming, okay, React, let me just now see in the sign up, go on the sign up pages. Now see, it will be displaying as like, see here I add the two fields. Here I will add the name, yeah, only name for that, and confirm password. Let me just in the top section, name and confirm password, like these two things. And go on the bottom section here, just copy this, and after that in the top section paste it, and here I will change the name, and here I will give the type will be the text, and ID will be the name. Just copy here, paste it, ID will be the name, and yeah, now it will be done. Now see here, okay, here I want to change the name, okay, like this, and here also I will give the and password also, yeah. Now like this, name, email, password, and confirm password. Now let's make here, copy this again, and after that paste again, and here I will change the first of all confirm password. Let me paste here, and here ID, and where I was given the name, here confirm password, and here confirm password. Okay, now see here, okay, the both of them value is for that. Here I want to change this confirm password, and here inside the name also, here I want to give the name. Now see here I was clicking this one, I want to make the show password, both of them, confirm and confirm password, and why this are confirm password and confirm password also. By default I was created this show password for the this password. Now so confirm password set, so confirm password, and here I will give the use state, and it will be the false. Let's copy this, after that go bottom section where I was given, and here now let's hold this here, and in the when I was clicking the event, then here this icon, now here I will change this. Now let's check this, when I was clicking, okay, now it will be perfectly fine. And this button also I want to change the title, sign up, and here I will give the link will be the sign in, and here also I will change this sign in, and here already have the account, I will give the already have account, yeah, already have account, then sign in, like this. These are done, and here upload the image also, like the user will be able to upload the image. For that here where here inside the registration section, here where is icon, here let's display the, if user want to upload the his profile image, then also for that here I will give the profile pic. For that yeah, this profile pic, now let's come here, and if profile pic will be available, then display the img src, and here image, this profile pic, otherwise not. If user will be upload, for that, otherwise display the icon. Let's cut from here, and here I will paste it. But profile pic is not defined, then data dot profile pic, and save this. Profile pic is not defined. Okay, data here, data dot profile pic. Go on the sign up page, and here I want to, when I was click, then it will be upload. For that, here make a div, and here I will give the like that. Where is icon gone? Let's icon will be here. Let's make this one. Cut from here, paste is here, and this div also. Yeah, if let's first of all, if any key is available inside this, then how this icon will be display like this. Now let's design this icon also. For that, here I will give the class name, profile pic, like this. Just copy here profile pic and go on the app.css file. Here I will just give the class and give the width will be approximately 50 pixel, height will be approximately 50 pixel, background color will for notice 10, or we can give the 80 pixel, and here height and width 80 pixel, little bit small. Let's give a 100. Yeah, 100 will be fine. After that, here, yeah, and now give the border radius 100 pixel. Yeah, after that, overflow hidden, like this. Now let's give the here inside this, if nothing is available, little bit shadow. For that, box shadow 5 pixel. Let's give the 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and 7 pixel RGBA, and 0, 0, 0.2. yeah, like that it will be display the here images if available, and yeah, it will be 0.5, I think. Perfect. It will be display in the center. For that, giving the margin, width, oh sorry, give the margin top and bottom side 0, left right will be auto. Now see, it will be automatically come in the center. Display block, now it will be automatically coming in the center, like that. And if here give the color will be the gray type, gray, light gray. For that, yeah, it will be perfect. Yeah, now it will be okay. And here display the images. For that, displaying the images, I want to upload the image. For that, let's come in the here and sign up section. When here const, when user will be click on the icon, by default it will be not be display. By default, this when you here display the one more things. For that, give the div, and it will be upload profile, upload pic, like this, upload pic. And here I will give the this class name upload pick text. Just copy this class name. After that, come in the index.css file. Here I will give just this, and here I will give the, here first of all I will give the position relative. After that, here I will give the position absolute, font size 10 pixel. Now let's see the browser. Yeah, it will be coming. Now let's do this little bit more. Yeah, after that I will give the, this will be from the bottom, it will be approximately 20 pixel. Its height 30 pixel, and bottom will be 0, and j index will be 10. Where I still gone, background color red. Yeah, now give the bottom 30 pixel. Yeah, not this bottom, it will be related to this. For that, here I want to give the top minus 20 pixel. I was given this block, and let me just check where I was go. Sign up, and in the lock icon, okay, I want to give the lock icon. Where is lock icon? Lock icon, okay, here I will give the position relative. Now it will be here, and here give the bottom 0. Yeah, now it will be taking, and its width will be approximately 30. Not 30, let me just give the full width 100%, and overflow like this, and it will be little bit from here. Margin from the left side, margin left minus 10 pixel. Now it will be little bit more, 15 pixel, 16 pixel. Yeah, now it will be okay, and text will be center, text align will be center. Yeah, now it will be coming, and now I will give the this little bit blur. For that, here I will give the this color will be in the form of a like this, or I will give the RGB, or I could directly use the black color. 0, 0, 0, 0.2, three, and after that, here I want to give the font color will be white. Yeah, and here I was given the 18, Yeah, now let's wrap this one and all this will be gone. For that I want to go on the sign up, and here this lock one I want to just come here, new div tag, and inside this I want to like that. Yeah, and after that this lock one, here I will give the container sign form lock container, like this types of way. Just copy this. After that go on the app.css file. Here I will give the this, and like here I will give the exact same which I was given in the lock. Just copy from here and go here, and here give the overflow hidden, and here I will give width margin 0 auto, and here I will give the 100 border radius 100. Let's give 80. $83. Yeah, now see, it will be perfectly fine. Upload pic, and here when a user will click, then upload the pic. And before that, when I was going here, upload pic text, for that where is upload pic text, here I will give the cursor pointer. Now see, our mouse cursor will be changed. Now here I want to go then sign up section. When user will upload, then this here come, for that const handle upload file. For that here I want to give this e, and here const file e.target.file, and I want to only single file. For that just copy this, and this is here, and here by default I want to trigger let me just wrap this form. Inside this I will make a label. Inside the label I will just put this one, and also give the input type file id upload pic, and this will be the upload pic input. Just copy this id. Here I will give the HTML for, and here inside the app.css, here I will give the id will be hidden, display none. Now see, it will be not displaying, but when I was click here, then it will be open to select images like that. When I was go, let me just select some images. When I was click, now see, but it will be not be display. For the displaying purpose, we need to convert this image format. Let me just show you which format this is coming. Console.log file, and here I will just give the file name, and here I will paste. Let's right click and go on the inspect section, console. Let me refresh the pages. Here click, and when I click and save, okay, here it will be not be displaying because I was not given the on change method. Now here I will give the on change. Now let me refresh the page and click here. Now select the images, profile image. Now see, here we cannot read the files. Okay, here I was going the files. Yes, I now refresh again, click here and upload the file, and now e.target. okay, click here, select the file, upload. Now see, this file is coming. Now I want to also show that this file. For that we need to convert this image in the form of some other format. For that, here I will make in the src section folder helpers. Inside this I will create image to base 64 .js file. After that, here give the const image to base 64. After that, here I want to take a file and first const reader. After that, new file reader, and here I will give the readers as a data, read as data URL this file. After that, I want to give a const data, and here I will give the new promise, and this promise is a 2 parameter resolve reject. After that, here if here reader dot onload, if it will be file will be resolved, then it will be written the reader dot result. Otherwise, if some error is coming, reader dot on error, it will be written the error, and here it will be reject error with error. Now after that, just give the return data. Like this, it will be convert image in the some string format. I will show you just, and this will be the async. Yeah, like that, and just copy this, come in the page dot sign up section. Here when user will upload const image to base 64. After that, give the weight, and this here I will give the file, and I will convert this function in the async function, and just copy this, and here I will paste this. Now let me just check, refresh this page, upload, select file. Now see, it cannot read the before initialize. Okay, I think this variable and this both are same, so I will give the profile pic, profile image, or give the image 64, like that. After that, let me save this. Okay, I think I was not imported. Let me just check. Yeah, helper, here I was not exported this. Export default base 64. After that, go on the here, and here import this. Now let's refresh this page, click here, select the file, and now see, this image is coming. Now let's show this pic also. For that, this data here, and here I will set this data, and return. Here I want to first of all return the previous value. For that, here previous value, and here I will give the profile pic. Now let me just give the this name. Now let me refresh this page, and when I click and select the profile image, now see here display this image. But when I was again I will click, it will be not be changed, but we need to change this image. For that, here I want to change some CSS. Go on the sign up, when it will be not be coming here. For that, I want to do let's remove from here, let's delete from here, and inside the icon and here also. First of all, close this, and now let's see and refresh this page. When I was click, yeah, now it will be displaying the, but our this image will be gone, not be displaying full screen. For that, yeah, again I will go and select, yeah, but profile pic will be not be displaying full screen. For that, let me give the this icon only. For that, this, and here I want to remove this from here. Okay, because this is icon, and here I want to give this. Let me just change the class name, app.css, where I was given the profile pic. Lock icon container. It will not be coming. For that, let me just the class. Here I want to give the position relative. Now see, it will be coming, but it will be taking some margin. For that, where is will be this. If I will give the 0, yeah, now it will be perfect. And when I was click here, upload the image, see here coming the profile image, and again I was select, and if cancel, then it will be giving the error because this data URL is not happening. For that, in the image.base64, or I can go on the app here. If here let's make the let this variable will be let. For that, here and convert this in the let variable. If file will be available, file dot name, yeah, file dot name is coming. If file will be available, then also this will be coming, otherwise not. For that, let come here, cut from here, paste it, and now this file console.log file name. Now let's check again, refresh the page, click here, select file, and here display the name, and here this file dot name. Okay, file dot name is available, otherwise not. Now see, when I was click select a file, it will be coming, and again if I was cancel, then see cannot read the undefined name. Okay, here I want to give the question mark. Now let's say again, click here, open. Now it will be coming. Again I will click and select a file, or I will cancel this, then this file will be empty. Now this part will be done. Now let's all things are front end side done. Now let's go on the backend side for saving all this data. And one more thing, so let's create the profile page also. For that, profile, what is the URL, user profile, like this, and in the center let's see user profile, class user profile, copy this in app.css. Here let's go user profile, and here I will use slash. After that, here let's give the first of all width approximately 100%, and max width will be 350 pixel, and background color will be white. Now let's see, and max width will be margin from the left right will be auto. And now I want to make this in the center. For that, where I was created this just container center, like that. Just copy this and come in the profile section. I will give this class name, and here now see it will be coming in the center, but I want to like that. And here I will give the class. After that, let me just cut from here. Here I will paste it, and now here I will display the profile image. For that, if image will be available, otherwise not. For that, this will be image will be as a closing tag. For that, if not available, then display the user icon. For that, let me just come, and here user, or yeah, like this. And in the component section icon, let's give the user icons.js RAFCE. After that, I will paste the code here and Alt Z to format this. And here let's give the fill current color. Yeah, now let's copy this and go on the profile user.profile, and here I will display the icon. And here come, okay, user profile is not defined. Okay, it will be coming much more bigger. For that, here div, and inside this give the class name user profile icons, like this types of a. After that, just copy this and go on the here app.css file, and in the bottom section here I will give the profile width will be approximately 50 pixel, height will be 50 pixel. Now let's check. Yeah, and after that give the padding, it will be 10 pixel, and border 2 pixel, solid RGB, like this. And border radius 50 pixel. Let's give the 20 pixel this padding. Yeah, now here display the user profile. Now also needed to display the image also. For that, if user profile image, and and here go, it will be coming here, and after that display the name. Here I was just test name I was just given. Now let's now this front end side this done. Now let's do the backend, and after that we will cover this. For that, let's go on the sign up page here. For that, let's collapse all these things, and here let's close all this file first, and here open the terminal. First of all, here I will create my folder. This folder name will be server, and inside this, first of all, go server folder. After that, here npm init, it will be create the it will be create the packet.json file. Where is packet.json file? This npm init, and here in the server side create a index.js file, and after that give in this install the packages like such as npm I express for the servers and course, and after that .env mongoose. Yeah, now let's install all these packages. Yeah, now see all this is created like course and .env express mongoose. After that go here, and after here const express require, and here give the express const course require course, and const app express, and here give the express, and after that app.use course. After that app.use express.json file. Yeah, now let's this are done. Now let's create the port, and port will be run from 8080, and if not available this port number, then it will be go on the another port, by default this environment process.env env.port, and after that give the app.listen port number, and after that give the callback function console.log server is running. Now this is creating the server. Now let's check it. Node index.js file. Now see server is running here, and if I will give the app.get and slash here I will direct you the request and response. I will send the response here, response.json message. Let me just give the message server is running. Yeah, and after that here let me just check this server is running or not. For that localhost 8080. After that let me just see. Now see here it will be giving the error. Okay, every time when any changes in the folder I want to again run again and again run this server. For that we need to here, let me just install this, and here install the npm I nodemon, and after that here I want to go on the packet.json file. Here I will just set up the some setting like I want to start this for the start command, and here I will give the node index.js file. And again, for the development purpose, I will use the always nodemon index.js file. Every time it will this nodemon will look when any changes in your file, automatically run the server again. For that, npm run dev. Now see, when anytime, now let's me refresh these pages. Now see, server is running like that. This done. Now let's create some folder. Like first of all, I want to configuration config. Here I will give the db.js const. One more things I was forgetted to .env. For that, let me just give the require, or I can directly give the .env require, and here I will give the .env. After that, config, or I can directly give the .env.config directly. And here I want to give first of all const mongoose require mongoose. After that, I will make a one function, async function connect db. After that, inside this I will use the try and catch block, const connect, or I can directly give the wait mongoose dot connect, and inside this I will give the process dot env dot mongodb URI. Like this types of URI, if yeah, it will be coming, otherwise not, then catch error, it will be show the error console.log, and then show the error mongoose, like this here. Yeah, now after that I will export this module. For that, module dot export, here give the connect.db, and here I want to also create in the server side, inside the root folder, .env file, and inside this which I was given this MongoDB URI, just come here in here and give the URI. For that, and let's connect dot here, and when I was go, first of all let's put the our MongoDB URI. For that, let's go on the here browser, and let me just close all this previous one. Here give the MongoDB, and after that MongoDB, click this, after sign in. Little bit internet connectivity is slow, that's why these are happening. If you have already created the MongoDB account, you can sign in by your email ID. If not, then you can use the by Google, or you can just sign up here also, register all the fields, and after that you can go. But here I have already my MongoDB account, I can directly use my email ID and sign in. After that, here If you first time login, then it will be display if you log in the first time, then it will be not be display, it will display the your organization, like choice your organization, like this types of a here inside here. See, here display the like this types of a here all this field will be empty. Here I will give the organization will be the MERN auth and here MongoDB Atlas. After that nest and create organization. Inside the MERN auth this organization, create a project. This project name will be the MERN auth and nest. After that here you want to give the some other email ID to permission. For that here I don't need of this. For that create the project. After that create a database. Now I needed to create this database. For that I want to free version, and here I give the cluster name will be the MERN auth, and now create the database. Here check that this is a free version, that's why. Now here give the which you want to give the email ID and password. Here I was given the MERN auth, and here I will give the password will be the MERN auth MERN 1234. I will change this. This is for the temporary purpose. I was given the 1234 password, and now let's create the database. And here I needed to give the IP. Here I want to remove this IP because I want to use multiple places. That's why I was given the 00 and click on the add. Now see, here I did and finish. Go to view. After that click on the connect and connect with the driver, and here once again this is MERN 1234 password is here. Now after that I want to just copy this here and go on the here in the MongoDB Mongo URL in env. Let me change the password MERN 1234, and now let me just here this db just copy this here and go on the here. Let's import this here const connect require, and here I want to give the first of all configuration inside the db, and this connect I want to call. Let me just call this connect. Now here see server is running, but here I was nothing. Oh, it's here display the connected TV like this. Now see here server is running and connected DB like this. First of all running the server, then connected, but we want to like that first of all connected to the DB, then run the server. For that I will go here and here, then first of all connected to the database, after that run the server. Now here like that I will do here. Now see connected DB, then server is running. Now this properly connected with the database. Now let's make our controller. For that in the server create a file controller folder, and inside this I want to first of all register a user. For that user sign up.js. For that before that I want to create a model. For that in the server let's create the folder model folder, and inside this create a user schema user.model.js. After that here const Mongoose. Here give the require and give the Mongoose. After that here const user schema and give the new Mongoose dot schema, and here I will give the user name type will be the string, and it will be require for that, and it will be trim. Yeah, after that here I want to give the email and type string, and it will be require. Okay, why spelling is mistake? Okay, let me just check. Required. Okay, and after that this will be required, and this will be the unique. Yeah, and this will be trim like this, and after that this give the password. Here this password will be also like same. Just copy this, and here I will paste this name, email, password, and anything more. Let me just go. No, nothing. And one more thing, this profile pic. For that I will give the profile pic, and this will also as it is same. Just copy here, and here I will paste this. After that here I will give the timestamp when this data is created and when is updated. For that timestamp here I will give the true, and after that const user model user, let's mongoose dot model, and here give the name of the tables. Here I was given the table name will be user, and here after that I will provide this user schema. And here now let's export this model modules dot exports, and here I will give the users model. Now after that just come here and sign up section. Here I will give the async function user sign up, and here I want to give the request response, and either try and catch block. Error, if error is coming then give the response status 500.json, and it will be the message will be the error, and after that giving the here error will be true, success will be false, like this types of a. And when the creating this sign up, first of all we need two things: require dot body dot email. If not available then display the error. For that here let me just copy this one, and here give the return. Here give the message will be there, please provide email, and also this is for the email, and we need also name also. Here I will give the name like this. If not available then here I want to give the tilde this exclamatory mark, and if password also not available then also this will like that. Here I will give the name, and here I will give the password. like this. This condition is done. Now again I will check if this email ID is registered or not. For that, const user if user model wait user model dot find one, and here I will give the email. It's meet email request dot body dot email if user will be find. It means that if any user is available, then here display the already user exists, and this error code will be 400 here also 400, here also 400. Okay, now this will be done, and here this user is already. If no user is found, then first of all we want to convert this password in the hash format. For that we need to convert this password in the hash. For that we need the bcrypt.js npm like this, and come here. Let me just stop the server and install this. For better, let's go on the documentation. bcrypt.js, here you can see how you can implement this one like this. This will be, first of all we want to import the bcrypt. After that this will be convert your password in the hash format. For that, let's already install. Now again run this npm run dev. Now let's go on the top section. Where is here is not displaying. Let me just go on the here. First of all I want to import this bcrypt. For that, here go in the top section bcrypt.js. after that, here let me just copy from here to here, and here it will be convert password into hash like this. Bcrypt, after that here paste it, copy. Here I want to give the const, copy this, and after that here paste it. Now here I want to pass a password which is coming from the request body dot password, and after that I want to give the, if any error is coming, then it will be send the error. For that, just copy this here, and here I will paste this here, giving the error if any error is coming. Otherwise, else if no error is coming, then here const payload which is coming from the request dot body by default, and password will be converted in the form of a hash. And for that, where is password, just copy this. For checking purpose, this password is converted in the hash or not, just console.log, and here you can see. And let me just show you once again. For that, let me just give some response here, console.log, and here give the hash, and after that hash. For that, first of all I want to export this user module module dot export this sign up, and after that go on the inside the server folder create a routes. Inside the routes create a file index.js file, and here const express. After that require inside the express, after the const router express dot router, and here give the router dot post. After that give the sign up, and here passes this sign up controller, this one. Let me just cut from here, and here I will import this routes, and after that I want to go here and export module dot export, and this router I will export this. After that I will go on the index.js file. Here I will import first of all here I will import const router from the require. I want to inside the routes, after that index.js by default, and here I will give the API routes API.use, and here give the API. After that here give the routers, like that. Now for the checking purpose this API is working for not. Here I was given the routes. Let me just copy this and open the Postman. Here I was using the tools Postman for this, and after that create a new one. Let me just give the new one, and this will be the post. First of all I want to give what is this, hint server is turning or not. Copy this API and sign up. Now let me just send the data. Cannot post sign up. Now let me just check on here server. App is not a crash. Okay, here I was given the sign up. Sign in up. Okay, that's why this mistake. Sign up. Now here I want to give the sign up. Now let me just send again. Now please provide the email, and please provide the email. Now let's go on the body and draw inside the JSON. Here I will give the, let's give the email, and after that give the email @amit@gmail.com. Now let me send again. Please provide the name. Okay, name. Here I will give the Amit. Now let me just send again. Please provide the password also. Okay, password, and here I will give the password will be the Amit@123, and send this. Now here see no response is coming, but now let's go here and see. Now this has password is converted. Let's come here, and here now this password I will save in the database. For that const here give the const user register user. After that give the new user model dot directly user model, you can directly give the this payload, and after that save this const and const save user details Now let's copy this, and here I will give the wait, and it will be save. And again, okay, it will be not be wait. For that, here I will give the async. Yeah, now it will be converted. Okay, not here, I want to give here. Yeah, now it will be done. Now I want to send also response. For that, let copy, and here I will send. If this user will be done, now let's send the data this user, and here I will give the user created successfully, like that. And here I will give the false, and here it will be true, like that. Now let me just check again. I will send the request. Okay, it will be crash the app again. Now see what is happening. User detail. Okay, here I was given the user dot save, like that. Now let's check again. Okay, this file is not saved, that's why. And where is why is coming? Profile pic is require. Where I was given the require. Let me just check. Okay, here I was given the require, that's why. Okay, now let me send again. Now see, user will be created this password, username and email, password, ID, all this is coming. Now this user created successfully. Now user also want to log in. For that, let's create a user sign in .js. This will be async function, and this function name will be the user sign in. And after that, here I want to also export this module dot export, and here I will give the sign in. Now here request and response 2 parameter, and here I use the try catch block, and here error. After that, here let's copy from the sign up section where I was given the sign up. Here let's copy this, and here I will paste it. Now here in the from the login section, sign in section, there is a two field is coming, like first one will be the email ID and password. Now for that, I want to directly give the here email and password. These two things are coming, and from the request dot body, if this email and password is not available, then I want to send the response. Please for that, here let's like this. Here please provide the password like this types of a and email. Here I will give the response will go email, please provide the email. If password is not available, then we can give the error message password, like that. Let's copy from here, and after that, here now see we got it. Now this email is sent. Now I want to check this email is available in our database or not. For that, const and here user. After that, give the user model. Here I will use the, because it takes some time, await. And after that, I will give the find one, and here I will give the email. Let's find it. After that, if this user is not available, then here I will give if user is available. So then if user is available, then we need to log in this. Otherwise, if user is not available, then we want to send the some response user is not available. For that, let me just copy from here, and here I will paste it. After that, here I will give the response user not available. You can write by your own which response you want to give here. If user is available, then I want to check its password also. For that, for the checking the password, like in here which I was given the in the like this bcrypt where I was hash. Now I want to again use this to compare. For that, let me just show you bcrypt.js npm. Okay, because of the cache multiple time if you are using, then here not displaying the blocks. For that, go on the ignore and here paste it. After that, here see I was password will be converted in the form of a hash where is here, and now I want to check this password. It means I want to use this one. Just copy this, and after that I want to go in the here my code where I want to use sign in section. Here after that I want to compare this password from my database, and here for that, here this password will be which are stored in the database, and this one is coming from the API. For that, here I will let's change this. Here I will give the this password means coming from the API like this password, and after that here where is gone here, and this hash means which is saved in the database. For that, this user, and for checking purpose let me just console.log, and here I will give the user detail, and here user. Let me I was logging in the postman like this sign up. Let's do the login section. For that, let me just copy from here. After that, go here, paste, post. I will change this URL sign in, and raw. Here I want to pass the JSON email. Let me just copy from the sign up. Here I want to copy. Here I will paste it. Let's once again. After that, I want to remove this, and when I was hit the API, okay, no response is coming. Once again I want to check sign in section here. Okay, in the route section I was not make the routes. Let's create this post, and here I want to give the sign in, and here user sign in like this. Now let's again I want to check this, hit the from the postman. When I was hit, no response is coming. Let's go here, some error response error is coming. Let's check it where here error. Okay, here I was given that this let me just give this. Now let's check again. Now see here error is coming, and here see we got it the this user detail, and inside see this password. For that, here I will give the user dot password. After that, if this password is true, if no error is coming, it means that if error is coming, it means that the user which password is coming from the API and which are stored in the database are not same. For that, here I will give error. Please check your password, like this types of message. If no error is coming, it means that user is authenticated, user password is correct. For that, here I will create a one JWT token, and after that send to the user. For that, let's go on the browser, and here install a JWT token, this JWT token npm. After that, here just copy and come in the here. Let's first of all stop the server npm, or I can directly paste it. Let's it is installing, taking some time. Let's here do the some documentation. See here it will be create a JWT token, and here also some algorithm you want to set it by default, but here I directly use this. Like here it will be giving the multiple algorithm. Here let's use this. Here I will give which data you want to pass. Like I want to pass in the token. Let's first of all here I give the underscore id, user id, it's mint, which is coming from the here this user id, and here I want to give. After that here I will send the email. One only need of only send the user id, or you want to send some other things, you can send it here. Let's send the user email, these two things in the token. After that I want to, let's first of all import the JWT token. For that let's go on the top section here, const JWT require JWT token, and here JWT token. After that come sign in, like this types of a sign in. After that I want to pass my token, and after that I want to pass my secret key. For the secret key, let's here I will created the my this env. Here I will give the JWT underscore secret, and it will be the, like here I was given the randomness, like you can give the any which you want to, or you can directly create like that. I was given this randomness, just copy here and come in the sign in section. Where is process, small letter, process dot env dot secret token. After that this comma, and here give the here let's see the here pass a expire in. After that here you can pass a 1 hours or 2 hours, depend on this. I show you in the documentation. Here you can see where is here. Now see sign in and data. Here I was passing my data, secret key. After that the expiring, here it will be given the approximately 1 hour 60 into 60, like this 60 second into 60 minute. After that here see expire in. After that I want to store this token. Let me just give the token, and here console.log, here I will give the token. After that give the token. Now let's go on the postman and hit the API. Okay, now check here data is printing where here. Let me just comment this, still not getting. Okay, here I was not imported this bcrypt. Let's import this. For that const bcrypt require from bcrypt.js. now let me check again when I was hit the API, and here see now I got it this token. Now I want to send only this token. For that here let's send the response, response status code with the 200. After that give the JSON. Here first of all give the token, and here I was give the token along with that error, false, success, true, and message will be login successfully, like this types of way. Now let's check again in postman. Here when I click, still no response is coming. Let me just check where is oh yeah, where here here I want to write line number 57. Where is here I want to give the return. Now let's check again. Okay, arias. So somewhere I think I have used this arias again. here response this one, and let me just check. Okay, here I was also given the parameter name is in the bcrypt response, that's why it will be considered. Let me change this parameter name res bcrypt response, like this types of I was given. Now let me just check again in the postman. When I was click on this, oh, I1 again click, server is started, not taking some time. First of all it will be connect with the DB, then start the server, that's why it taking some time. Now see, it will be giving the response token and error is false successfully, login is successfully. After, now see, this login is successfully. Now after using this token, get the user detail. For that, let me just go on the this user profile here. Before that, using this token, I want to make a one middleware. For that, let's in the server folder, inside this make a middleware. Inside this, I want to first of all verify this token. For that, here let's give the verify token .js file. After that, here let's create a function. This function will be async function verify token, and here is also request response and next. After that, here let's give this. Here I will use the try catch block, and here I will give the error, and here let me just copy from the format where I was using multiple places this error catch, that's why just copy this. Here I will paste it. Yeah, now here I was given the verify token. Also I want to export this module dot export. After that, this verify token. Now here first of all I got it, I want to consider this to pass a token. For that, let me just check. I was given the this, okay, user profile, and here index.js I was given this user detail and user profile, like that. Now let me just go here, and here I was imported this. Here I want to add one more things. It will be the verify token. Let's this one. Now when I was, let me just go postman, and here I will add this user detail, and inside the body I want, inside the header section I want this path authorization and JWT after this token. Let me just copy this token here, copy, and inside the user detail here I will paste it. Now again I will send the response. Now let's check me in the verify token here. Okay, here I was not console. For that, give the const token, and here I will give the request headers authorization JSON, and now after that console dot log token, here I will give the token. Now let's send again, save this file. After that, this server is running. Yeah, now let's send again this request. Now see, here I got it this token. After this token, only I want to this JWT I want to remove, only I want to this token. For that, here I will give the split, and split where is space is coming this. After that, I want to this index 1. For that, here I will give the index 1. Now let me just save it again and go on the postman. Again I will send the response. Now again check. Now see, only I got it the token. Now after using this token, I want to identify this token is valid or not. For that, here I will give the JWT dot. First of all, I want to import JWT. For that, importing in the top section, I will give the const JWT require. After this I want to give the JSON to web token. Now here I want to verify. For the JWT verify, and inside this first I want to pass a token. After that here I want to pass a secret key which I was given. For that, at the time of a login, here here I was pass a JWT token secret. Let's copy this from the process env JWT token. After that, let's come in the here, and now here I will pass one callback function for that error and decode. After that here I will got a console.log decode. Let's give the decode, save it, and here I will give the this decode. Now let's save it and go on the Postman. Again I will hit the API, not here. Now see, here I got it this. Okay, I was console here token. See, once again I will send. Now see, here I got it the user ID which inside this token, and this email ID which I was passed at the time of a sign in. Like here I was passed user ID and email ID, these both are coming. After that, this using this token I want to verify this user is available in our system or not. Yeah, for that first of all here I want to check this ID is valid in our system or not. For that, const user. After that here I will give the wait user model. Inside this use the find. Here I will give the, or I can use the find by. Once again here I was uses the okay wait, and here I want to use the wait. Here I want to give the async, and after that here I will give the find by ID. For that here this decode const, here I will give the dot underscore ID, and after that, or I can directly pass this ID for everywhere. Like here I can give console.log user. Here let's go on the Postman, and here again I will hit the this user detail, and after that here I got it. See, I got it from the database, this name, username, name of the email ID, password, and this. After that here I can only pass this user email ID. For that, no need of this, only for showing purpose this ID is correct or not. That's why I was so. Now here I can give I want to pass this ID. For that here I will give the request dot user, and here I give the request dot user ID. Here I will give the decode dot underscore ID. Here I was which ID is coming from this token. I was just make a one request user ID because I want to use this user ID in multiple places where I want to use this middleware verify token. For that, and one more things, if this token is not correct, for that some error also show in the user side. For that here I will give the, if error is coming, then here I want to show the user. First of all, response dot JSON. Along with that I want to give the status 400, and here I will give the dot JSON. Here I give the, first of all give the message. Inside message unauthorized access. After that here I will give the error true, success false, like that, which format I was follow multiple times. That's why I was given. After this done, then here I want to give the next. here I was given the after this next means this response is completed, go on the next controller, which here I was given the see after the verifying the this verify token, go on the user profile here this controller. For that let me just here console.log user id, and here I will give the request dot user id which I was given. Now let's save it. Here I was given the user id. Let's copy this as it is same. Here I was copy because of I saw where I was all this detail is coming and linking, that's why. Now let's go on, and in the user detail let's click it. After that go here. Now see here I got it this id. This id is coming from the profile. For that here I will give the user profile. Now let's save it. Again I will go on the here and send it. Now see here I got it this. Now I got it this user id. After this user id let's find the user detail, const user weight, and here I will give the user model, and inside this find by id, here give the request dot user id. After this send a response all this. For that here I will give the response res status 200. After that give the JSON, and here I will send the first of all message, and here give the message will be user detail, and after that let me just give the little bit format, error false and success true, like this types of a okay here I was not given. And after that send the data user. This data I was first of all find the from the my MongoDB database. After that I was sent. Now let's go on the postman again, and here I will send a response. Okay, now see here I got it the user all the detail like id, name, email id, password created and updated it. But every time I don't need of this password because only user detail. For that let's go on here, and here give the select. After that string, inside this give the password minus password. I want to remove the this field, this password field inside this. For that now this will be done and save it. After that again go on the here and here refresh. Now see inside this response password field is not coming. Now this where is, now see this your user profile done and sign in section done, and this sign up section, all three server side done. Now let's go on the our front end side and implement all this API. For that after here in the client side and in the src section and pages, first of all we register user. For that we go on the sign up section, and here this handle submit. After clicking on the this button, let me just show you on the front end, this registration section, name, email, password and confirm password, and click on the submit button, sign up button, then this event will be fire this function. For that now let me here first of all const give the response. After that use the fetch. Inside this here I will make a first of all this function asynchronous. For that here I will use the async, and after that here I will give the wait, and here I want to pass a sign up URL. For that here I was using in postman. Let me check here, see just copy this. After that come in the VS Code, here I will paste it, and after that here I want to some parameter. For that like a method will be post, and after that give the headers. Inside header I will give the content, type will be application slash JSON, and here after that down I will pass a body in the form of a JSON dot stringify. Inside this I want to pass all this field which are like name, email, password and confirm password, all this here. Where is field data? Let's copy this use state data because in the all the field is stored in that. Let's copy this and come where is JSON here. After this response is coming, I want to convert this response in the form of a JSON. For that, const for checking purpose I will show you what is coming response, and here I will show you. Let's copy it, and after that here I will paste it. Before this handle submit, I want to check this password and confirm password is same. For that later I will check. First of all, let me show you response what is coming, and right click, and after that here come open the console, clean it, and I want to make this 75. Let's make 100, and here I want to give the Amit 1. After that here I will give the 1 @gmail.com. I was give the password Amit @1234 password. Let me just give the password Amit 1234 Amit 1234, and let's sign up. Now see here response is coming bad response. I will check why this bad response is coming. Before that, here see this code giving let me check on the network section this sign up, and here see here I was all this detail I was got it, but here this is why response is 400. Let me just check in the sign up section where is server here, and after that I want to go on the controller sign up. Here I was sending, okay, here I was sending the 400. Let me just change this 200. Yeah, now it's everything is fine. Yeah, fine. After that let me check on the sign in section. Yeah, here I was getting the correct. Here I got it. See, this response is coming like that format. Now I want to change all this in the form of a JSON. For that where is client inside the sign up section, here I will give const data response. After that here I will use the wait response dot JSON. Now let me just console this one, and after that I will here. Now let me just again register one user, and here I will give the Amit 5 and email ID Amit 5 @gmail.com. After that I will give the Amit 5 password Amit 5, and now sign up. Now see here giving the user created successfully, and here I got it the data. But when the user will be created and here show the some message, for that we use the Toastify to show the notification. Like this types of a notification is shows. Let's copy this npm and go on the here. Let's stop the first of all React tab, press the Ctrl C, and here just paste it npm I react Toastify. After that again run the server, again run the React tab. Yeah, now after this I want to show I want to go on the URL. Let me just close this, and here I will refresh this, automatically it will be done. Let's here I will first of all I need to some setting, like here this Toastify container and this CSS file I want to import on the my main file where app.js entry point. Here I want to just paste import this both of them. After that this toast container I want to place here, and here I will place here, and here I was converted this all this in the single fragment tag. because before that it was like that, like this, but it I want to add this Toastify container. That's why here I was given the fragment tag. After this, inside this fragment tag I was added this toast container. Now let's see this one done. Now I want to show the notification. For that, go on the sign up section. When user will be data response will be success. First of all, I will show the error. Let me just check this and why these are coming. Here I will give toast, import this toast from the React Toastify. After that, here I will give the dot error, and inside this I want to pass a message data dot response, data response dot message, and after that I want to pass a successful also. For that, let's copy this, and here I will go success, and after that here this will be success, like this types of a. Now after this, let me just check. We'll go refresh this page again. I will enter Amit6 email ID, amit6@gmail.com. after that, give the password amit6. here I was give 6 and click on the sign up. Now see, user created successfully. If like when again I will click this, again I will click. Now see here, already user exists, like this types of a message is coming from the backend side. And when clicking on the sign up section and user will be created successfully, then all this field will be empty. For that, and redirect to the login page. For that, we need to do here this set data. I want to just copy this, and here I want to give the, let's add the all the field will be empty. For that, let's copy from here, and here I will give all this field empty. Let's check again. Let's save it first, and here, okay, let me just change refresh this page. Again I will give the amit7 @gmail.com, password amit7. After that, just click sign up. Now see, user created successfully, and it will be all the field will be empty. Now it will be redirect to the our login page. For that, I will use the here, let me just give the const navigate. Here use the use navigate from the React router DOM. Use navigator from the React router DOM, and after that, let's copy this, and very successfully, after the user created successfully, it will be redirect to the our sign up page, sign in page. For the sign in page, like this types of a. For that, let me just refresh again, and here I will give the amit8. Here I will give the password amit8, and click on the sign up section. Okay, here giving the @gmail.com. click on this, something, yeah, user created successfully, and it will be redirect to here. And here I was one things more added, the loading. When the user will be click on the button, then all this field will be disabled. For that, here let's true the loading. When user will be click here, I want to give true, and when the response will be completed, after that this will be false. For that, here I will give false. Now let's save it again and go on the sign up section. Here I will give the, let's give 9 @gmail.com. after that, amit9 Amit 9 and click on the sign up section. Now see, created successfully and it will be here. Now these two things done, and one more things I want to check this password and confirm password is same. For that here I want to insert the some condition. For that here I give if data dot password equal to and data dot confirm password. Now here I will show the message and toast error password and confirm password same. Must be same. Like this types of a message will be show, and here after this checking I will return this. If not equal, it means here I want to not equal. Now let's save it, and why okay, here I was given the data. Let's save it. After that again go here and let's save it. Amit 10 amit10@gmail.com. Here I will give the password Amit 9 and Amit 9, or I will give the just random one and click on this is. Now see here giving the password and confirm password must be same. For that's why let's open this. Here I was given Amit 9 and here I was given the 99. Okay, here I was clicking, see this eyes will be changed. Let me check why these are happening. I think I saw password I was not sent on the confirm icon. Let me just check. Okay, here I was not changed, that's why these are happening. Now again I will click. Now see it will perfectly, and see here I was given. Let me just give the this 10 and this one also, that's random one. Now clicking on this, now password and confirm password must be same. For that here I will give the 10. Now click sign up. Now see user created successfully and it will be redirect to here. Now this part sign up section is done. Now let's go on the sign in. For that here in the sign up page, let's here where is here. First of all I want to make this function will be async. Let's convert this async. After that I want to give const response, and here I will give wait and fetch. Here I want to give the sign in URL. For that let me just go on the postman. Here I was given the this localhost API sign in. Let's copy this and here I will paste it. After that I want to here pass some parameter like method will be post, and here give the headers content type application /JSON. After that here I want to pass a data like a username, email ID and password. For that here I want to give the body, and here I will give JSON dot stringify, and here I will give the login data. What is name? Here this data. Let's copy this and here I will paste it. After this I want to here I will give the this response I want to convert in the form of a JSON. For that let's give the const data response. After that use the wait, and here give the response dot JSON, like this types of a. After that here I will check if this no error. For that you give the data dot error, then show the message toast, and make sure that import this in the top section like here. After this I will give the error, and here I will show the data response dot message like this. If it will be successfully login, then here show the message here I want to convert this in the form of a success dot success, and here I want to also change this like here, and when it will be successfully I want to log in. Before that, let's check multiple time I was sign up section. Now here I will give Amit. Let's register new user, give on here. I will give Amit 11. After that, give the email ID amit11@gmail.com. here I will give the password Amit11. now let me check. Yeah, I was given Amit11. let me just check this. Yeah, these both are same. Now click on the sign up. Now user created successfully. After that, here I give the Amit11@gmail.com, and here give the password Amit11. now let me just check. Yeah, now click on the sign in. Login is successfully. This message is coming, but it will be not be navigated to the user pages. For that, let me just do again it. For that, here give the navigate to the use navigator from the React router DOM. now here this use navigator, and here I was just copy this, and when you successfully login, then it will be redirected to the user. What is the name? Let me just check. In the route section, it will be redirected to the user profile. Let's copy this and go on the sign up section. Here I will set, and let's save it. And now let's refresh the pages. Here I will give Amit11@gmail.com. here I will give the Amit11 and click on the sign in. Now see, login is successfully, and it will be redirected to the user profile. Now this part is done. Along with that, this token I will store in the local system. For that, when user will be already have login, that it will be directly come in the user profiles section and not go on the sign up and sign in section. For that, here I will first of all, let's give the local host dot set item, and here I will give the token. After that, here I will give the this token which is coming from after the login. Let's here first of all, let's log in, sign /in, and here I was give where is I was console or not. I was not console. Let me just console this, console.log, and the data response. Here I will just give the comma and just copy and paste it here. Let's Amit11@gmail.com. after that, giving the password Amit11, and now let me just clean this. Click on the sign in. Now here giving the error, failed to execute set item. Okay, this is a local storage which I was written this one here, this comma, because that's why this error is coming. Now here I want to set this token. Where is token? Here, just copy this. After that, here I will give the data response dot token like this. Now let's save it again, and again I will refresh these pages, and Amit11@gmail.com. after that, giving the Amit11 and click on the sign in. Now see, here I got it this token, and inside the network where is memory, go on the application section, and inside the local storage, click on this local storage, and here see this will be save the token. Now after that, I want to use this token. For that, let's go on the here inside the user, here I want to use this token. For that, now I want to get the user full detail. For that, here let's make a const handle handle user profile. After that, here like that, and this function will be called once. For that, I will use the use effect, because I want to add when this page will be load, then this API will be called, this function will be called, sorry. And for that, let me just copy this here, and here I will call this function. And here I want to give the const response from, and this function will be asynchronous. For that, here I will give the async, and after this, here give the wait, and here I give the, let's give the fetch and URL. For that, let me just go here, and where is user detail API, let's copy this and here paste it. After that, here let's give the some option, like first one I want to give the method, second will be the header. Inside header, let's parse a content type. Here I will give the application /JSON. After that, here I want to, along with that, I want to pass a header authorization token. For that, here give the authorization, like this types of, which I have given in the backend side, like inside the very middleware. Here I was given the authorization, this one. For that, inside the headers, like that, I want to pass this token. Where is inside the user profile, here I want to pass this. For that, here I will use the tilde symbol, I will give the JWT along. Here I want to give the token. For that, local, here I will use the dollar local storage dot get item, and here I will give the token, because inside the local storage I was store name is token, that's why. After this, will be giving them a response. I want to convert this in the data response wait in the form of a JSON. For that, response into JSON. And now this, all this is in detail I want to store in the some variable. For that, I make this data set item. After that, here use state. Inside this, I will store, first one is the name will be empty, second one will be the email, and third one will be the profile pic, which I was given in the sign up section. Like where is this profile pic field, I want to check this field is exact similar which I was given in the model. Profile pic, yeah, these both are I think similar. Now let's go here, where is sign up, and here I want to give the profile pic also. Now let's after this, let's set data. Here I want to here give the data response dot data. Now let's save it, and inside this I want to also display the this name. For that, let's copy this data. First of all, I want to display the username. For that, here I will give data dot name, like this. Let's save it, and let's here I will give the question mark. Let's refresh this page. And why this server is okay, because of this ID. Let me just check. Because here got this no token is available, that's why. For that, inside the verify token. If no token is available, then here I want to give the question mark and save it again. And now see, this server is running again. Now let me just check here, browser, refresh this. Yeah, now see, I got it, this this username, and here let's display the, like here only I was given the name, that's why profile name I not given. Let me register new user, and here I will first of all upload the image here in the my D drive, and click here. Here I will give the Amit. After that I will give the email ID amit123@gmail.com. Here give the password amit123, amit123. Let me just give the, and click on the sign up. Now see, change password is successfully registration successfully. After that here I will give amit123@gmail.com. after that give the password amit123 and click on the sign in. After that here giving the this name, and this name will be in the capital form for first letter. For that let me just go on the front end side in the user detail. Here I will give this name. Let's give the class, and here I will give the capitalize class name. Why this first letter will capitalize? For that here I will give the user name. Just copy this class name. After that come in the app.css file. Here I will give text decoration text style. Let me, what is the, I was forwarded CSS capitalize something, lots of working. Text transform, okay, text transform is a capitalize. Now let me just save it again, and now let's go come here and refresh. Now see, this first letter is now capital, and here not displaying the images. Let me just check in the response image URL is coming or not. Now see why this 2 times hit. Let me just check on the where inside the index.js file. Okay, because of this sticky mode this API will be hit 2 times. Let me just commented this now, and now I will refresh now I will refresh again. Now see, only 1 time it will be hitting and response will be come. Now here check this profile pic. Just copy this, and here user profile section I want to display the images. For that here I will give the some condition. User profile pic if available, like data dot user profile pic is available, then I want to show the image img src, and here src will be data profile pic, and here I will give the question mark, because sometime what happen if this profile pic is not available, this field is not available, then it will be give the error. That's why here I was added the optional here also like this. And here I will give the first of all give the class name user profile, like this types of a image, or I will give the pic, and if not available then here display the this icon. Let's copy this and here paste it. Now save it again. Now see, this like this it will be much more bigger. For that let me just copy this, or I can go come here this icon. Let's cut from here, paste here, and it will be cut this div tag. from replace is here. Now it will be like that. Now let's copy this class name user profile pic from the app.css file here, paste it and give the width will be approximately 50 pixel, height will be 50 pixel. Now let me just check. Yeah, let me give the more 80. Or you can give the after this 100 is proper for now. Yeah, after this give the border radius 100%. Now see it will be converted. After that give the little bit shadow. For that box shadow 2 pixel 5 pixel 2 pixel and 5 pixel RGBA, give the 0.5. now see little bit shadow 0.1. yeah, like this little bit shadow is appear. Yeah, this will be perfect. And I want to make all this in the center. For that here where is user profile, I want to display all this detail in the center. For that let's call this user profile in the app.css where I was uses this. Here I want to make this center. For that giving the where she is here, I will first of all give the padding is approximately 10%. after that I will give the test alignment center. Now see it will be coming here center. Now below this I want to display the its email ID. For that come in the user profile and here I want to display the email ID. For that here I'll give the data optional email. Now see, and this margin is coming. For that let me just go on the app.css and here name I want to give the margin 0 and here this p tag is also coming. For that here I will give the class user email. Let's copy this and come in the app.css. here I give margin 0 because by default all the tag has its own margin, that's why. Now see, like this types of a user. But here you can see I can now also I can go on the sign up pages. When user will be login, then it will be not be go on the login and login page as well as sign up page. For that here let me just check on here in the app.js. First of all I want to check user have login or not. For that let me just use a use effect because I want to run this is first time when the load. Here I want to give the comma. First of all I want to check token const token dot local storage dot get item from the token. If token is available, let me cut from here outside. And also if token is available, then user will be directly navigate to the user profile. For that I will use const navigate and here I will give the use navigate from the React router DOM. Like first of all I show you when I was refreshed. Let me just copy this local storage and let me just close this all Chrome and again I will open and again I will go on the local storage 3000. Now see it will be that page. When user will be have login, that it will be directly go on the user profile. For that let's copy this navigate and here I will give the user profile. Let's save it and refresh. Now see when I was paste this, let me just close again and open the Chrome and go on the local storage. Now see it will directly go on the this user profile section because user have already login. And here I want to give the also logout button. For that let's here inside the pages user profile and here I want to give one button here. Let me just give the here I think I want to add in the top section. For that here I can give uh, button log out. Let me just see where it display. It will be display here, no problem. Or I can give the logout button inside here at the top of this. For that here I can paste it. Yeah, this logout button is coming here, and this image tag I want to wrap in the div and paste it. Yeah, now it will be perfectly fine. And this logout I want to here let's design this. For that here I will give the class name log out btn and just copy this class name. After that come in the app.css file. Here I will give first of all border none, or I can give the border, yeah, border approximately 2 pixel, solid, transparent, like this types of a, because I will use this for the hovering effect. And background color will be RGB. Let's give the RGB, or I can use the red color. And this will be the text color will be white, font weight will be bold, approximately 600. Yeah, after that give the padding. From the left right will be top bottom is approximately 5 pixel, left right 10 pixel. Now let me just check. Yeah, and after that give the border radius is approximately 5 pixel. Now see, little bit curve, and here I think I want to give the little bit 10 is proper. Here I want to give less 3 pixel. Yeah, and this little bit space in between, then for that I can give the letter spacing 1 pixel. 1 is more, 0.5. Yeah, and this will be at the rightmost. For that here I will give the width fit content. After that give the margin left auto, and after that I will give the display block. Now see, it will be coming here because of the this padding I was given. That's why here little bit this types of a coming. For that let me remove the profile. Where is here I was given the padding. Let me remove here. Here let's remove this border radius. Yeah, now see, it will be perfectly fine. And here I want to add the padding. For that inside the user profile, where is here I can add the new div tag here inside this from the left and right and bottom. For that I want to go here app.css file. Here I can add padding. Top side I want to give the 0, left right 10 pixel, right side 10 pixel, bottom side 10 pixel, left side also 10 pixel. Now see, it will be like, but here I don't want to give. For that here right side I will give the 0. Now see, it will be perfectly fine. Bottom side little bit more. For that here I will give the 20 pixel. Now see, when user will click on this logout button, it will log out. Along with that when mouse will be from this logout button, the mouse cursor will be changed. For that here I will give the cursor pointer. Now see, but now let's make a function, and here I will give const handle log out. After that I will give the first of all, when user will log out, then clear the local storage. Yeah, then it will be clear automatically from the token will be clear from the local storage, and here I will call this on click. And yeah, now let me just refresh these pages and click on the local storage, and again I will call this API. Now see, when I will refresh this, see, no detail is coming. When click on the logout, it will be clear the local storage. After that I want to navigate to the login page. For that, navigate where I was given the navigate. Okay, I was not given. Let me just give the const navigate, use navigate, and after that here navigate is not exported. Navigate, let's copy this, and here I will give go on the slash sign in pages. Now let me refresh this page again and click on the see why this error is coming, because of this handle user profile. And this will log out will be when, let me just check. And one more thing, if token is not available and user have in the user profile, then it will be like first time user dot effect, and here first of all check the token is available or not. For that, let me just check on the top side here. For that I will check const token from local storage dot get item token, and if token is available, then also this user profile will be run, otherwise navigate to the some other pages. For that, if or I can directly give here also, if token is not available, then navigate to sign in page. For that, let's copy this here, and here I will paste. Now let me just save it. Now see, when I was refresh, see in the user profile and checking, okay, it will be only single time. Let me just make inside the use effect, and here let me refresh this. Yeah, now see, nothing will be done, but here giving the handle user profile. For that, here also I want to add one condition: if token is available, then also call this handle user profile, otherwise not. For that, here I can give like this. Let me just refresh, and I will go on the user profile, then it will be directly redirect to the this sign in page. And now see, when I was in the home, every time it will be changing. See, when I was go on the here, I will go on the sign up section, and otherwise I will go on the user profile, then it will be redirect to the this sign in page. If I will log in like this, here I will give the login Amit 11 and click on the sign in, and yeah, and here giving the fail to fetch handle submit. Why this fail to fetch? Error http why this is coming? If user have already token is available, then let me just check. Let me save the my backend side. I think let me save run the server. Now again I will log in Amit 123 @gmail.com. After that Amit 123 and click on the sign in. Yeah, now it will be perfectly fine. Click on the logout, it will navigate to the sign in page. And why it will be Amit11 @gmail.com. After that Amit 11, click on the sign in. Yeah, it will be perfectly fine, but my this profile image is coming, icon is coming here, it will be coming in the center. For that let me just go user profile. Where is here? Where is not in the where is, let me just check user profile. Okay, here I want to give the user profile container profile pick container like this type. So let's copy this. After that come in the app.css file. Here I will give display flags, justify content will be center, alignment item center. Now see, let me save, and here give the width 100%, and it will be saved. Then also it will be not be coming. Okay, this is icon, not a, then I want to give the, where is icon? This, let me just check. I have no need of this here, then also it's okay. Let's copy this and check somewhere other I have uses. I have used here and here. Let me just go app.css file. I can directly replace here, and this will be removed, and save it. Okay, let me remove this one, no need of this. And inside the here I will remove this class name first, and here let me just check this. Here I was given the width will be okay. Remove, add the margin auto. Let's save it. Now it will be coming center, and log out, sign up, sign in. Yeah, perfectly fine, everything's. Now again I will give Amit123 @gmail.com, and after this I will get password Amit123 and sign in. User not available. Why this? Okay, I was mistake that this Gmail ID, that's why. And sign in. Now see, it will be perfectly, this sign in section is completed. Now let's look again all these function once again from the starting position. See, this is login page, sign in section, and this is sign up. First of all, user will be register Amit, or I can give the test @gmail.com. After that here I will give the email ID test @gmail.com. After that your password test @123. If you give the some different password from the password and confirm password, like here I was given the random, then here click on the sign up section, then here give the password and confirm passwords must be same. Now here you can see, here I was given the just random one. Now let's give the same test @1234. After that here I will give the test @1234. Let's here if I was given the some random, now see, password and confirm password should be same. Now let's click on the sign up. Now see, user created successfully. After this let's log in test @gmail.com. Here give the password test @1234. Click on the sign in section. Now see, here giving the, okay, why this are happening? Because in at the place of a name I was given the this Gmail ID, that's why these are happening. Now once things done, now